Does this try to ignite, but nothing happens?
It tried.
It tries to click.
Oh no, that's different. Wait a second. Let me. Can you move that one, please?
Yeah,
Yeah, I know. I think it's coming. I'm thinking it's not good. It doesn't have pressure sensor, I think, so pressure shouldn't be a problem. Basically, I'll check his code, but I'm just checking without his code. Let's see what happened. And it's not moving at all. Normally when it's turned on, I'll just jump. It's okay, thank you. I think in this one and purple and use it. Most probably the fan.
probably, yeah, as I say.
Or most probably because the fan is just spinning it all.